Hello everybody, hope you're well. My name's Adam, I'm part of the Mystery Builders YouTube channel. I'm here today as a part of Professional Builder Magazine's YouTube channel to talk to you about a product I know very well, Gripbond Pro by Bondit. We're going to go through all the applications that it can do, the do's, the don'ts, some tips, some hints, and we'll get a job done. Okay then, so Gripbond Pro by Bondit. Now what we're trying to do today is to glue these shower panels onto the wall within the shower room in the ensuite, which is just behind you. Now what we're going to use is Gripbond Pro by Bondit. Now this is my house, so this is how much I rate this product because I obviously want to get it right. And all we're going to do then is just apply the glue onto this plastic and then just literally stick it on. It is that good. Now the good thing about this stuff as well, it's also a sealant. So we can apply the glue onto the back, stick it on the wall and then seal along the bottom as you would in any other shower tray with the same material. You haven't got to change guns, you haven't got to change tubes, it's all there. Now just to quickly show you a little one I prepared earlier, I've got an offcut of this very plastic. As you can see, it's just hollow plastic like that. And I glued it with a little bit of this stuff, and I did use a little bit onto this bit of plasterboard, which has been, to be honest with you, it's been left outside. It's not best practice to use damp plasterboard, but that's all I had. And that stuff is on there. So I've got no problem at all with gluing this stuff straight onto the wall in the ensuite. So we're going to get started now. I'll show you the application and then we'll get it stuck on. Okay then, so what we're going to do now then is apply the Gripbond onto our material, which as I say is plastic. Now whenever you're gluing something, to get it to adhere properly, really shiny plastic is it's always a bit of a worry, because that gloss, that shine, a lot of glues won't stick to it. This stuff does, it really is that good. It also does all kinds of metals, even lead. So as you can see here, we've got a aluminium trim on the side, which we've already glued on. That's going nowhere, so that's stuck to that plastic, not a problem at all. And then over here we've got a plastic trim, again that's stuck on. We've already redone that and we've done all the cuts and everything. That's going nowhere as well. So we've really got no issue with using this material on a glossy surface like this whatsoever. Right, well as you can see, there has been a liberal application of the adhesive on the back of this panel. That's used probably just under 2 tubes, but we want to get it on there. We want it to stick all nice and firm, all nice and solid, all the way over. So here we go then, we're going to lift it in now. Richard is here to help me. You might recognise Richard off our Mystery Builders YouTube channel. We're going to take it in. It's a little bit tight for space. I say it's all been offered up before. It's all been pre-cut, so it's just going to fly in straight up, and away we go. So let's have a go. Right, yeah, go on, bottom in. There we go. Okay, so what we're going to do now then, if we get my level here, what we want is a nice firm even pressure all the way over it and really just make that glue do its job and really stick it to the wall. Best thing to do, straight edge, spirit level, whatever, and just get it on there and just really go over it nice and even all the way over. I'm not going to slide this over because I don't want to scratch the plastic. Like so. Make sure it's tight to the wall. Check for a plumb, that is perfect. And that's on, I'm happy with that. As you can see at the bottom, we've put it on a couple of packers, just so it doesn't sit directly onto the tray. It's a little bit off by about 2 or 3 mil. That gives us enough gap there to really fill it with the same material. As I say, it also acts as a sealant. And then seal it exactly as you would any other shower tray or bath, around the bath. So that's basically it. As you can see here, we've got a little bit of the material on the panel. Just get a wipe and then I'll just wipe straight off. provided you do it quick enough. And away you go. And that is basically, that is it. And that is on. And to get that back off will be an absolute nightmare, which is a good thing. Right, well, what can you actually do with this product then? Well, to be honest, the list of what it can't do will be a lot easier to read out, but I haven't got that one. So I'm gonna have to read a few things out for you because there are that many. Bonds all types of metal, even lead and aluminium. That's impressive in itself. All plastics, PVC and GRP, that's fiberglass, so that'd be good for patching up roofs, that kind of stuff. It can be used for polystyrene, hard and soft wood, so skirtings. If you think that you may have some pipes behind the skirting, you're not too sure, you've got a little bit to put on, by all means, put this on, stick it on, walk away, it'll be done. In that respect, it's also non-shrinkable, it's weatherproof, it's for not just interior, also exterior as well. And you can paint it, any water-based paint, just go straight over it. It really is all singing, all dancing in one tub. Well, as you can see, this stuff is very, very impressive, and that thing is going absolutely nowhere. Now, as I say, this is my house and I want to get it right, and I have using this stuff. It is very, very, very good. If you want to know any more about it, you want to learn more about it, there's a link to this stuff in the description to this video. If you want to see more of me and Rich and how we did this house and our other projects, head over to the Mr. A Builders YouTube channel. If you want to see more videos like this with all different types of building materials and tools, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell. There's loads of videos coming up. Whenever they're released, you'll be notified about it. So thank you for watching. Until next time, take care.